Hi, I'm the author of AFK Notifier, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use AFK Notifier in order to get a notification to your cell phone when the export process in Adobe Premiere Pro is complete. So as you can see here, I have everything set up ready for export. And let me just open the AFK Notifier software. And the easiest way to do this is to prepare a rather small window. We don't need the side panel here, so that I can monitor the pop-up that gets displayed with the export status. So if I resize my AFK Notifier window to just monitor this, and then I do start monitoring, now the application is watching my screen for changes, and when the change threshold is met, I will get a notification sent to my phone with the before and after screenshots. So this is a mirror of my phone here. Let's just wait for a few minutes for the export process to complete. Okay, we're almost there. So now the process completed, and in a second here you should see me receiving a phone notification with a before and after screenshot that shows this window was hidden and therefore the export has completed. Now note that you don't have to actually have the AFK Notifier mobile application running. You can simply close it or put it in the background, and you will still get notification in your notification panel on your device when the screen change is detected. So that's it. It's very simple to set up. Check out afknotifier.com and check out my other videos for how to pair the Windows application with your mobile phone and how to go through the installation process of the Windows application. Thank you.